We're a vessel, and we live to get people outdoors to explore wild, untamed spaces and sleep out under the stars. For outdoor enthusiasts like ourselves, it's an exhilarating sense of freedom. But preparing to camp in the great outdoors can be a challenge. You want your gear to be accessible, easy to carry, and super organized. Meet VSSL CAMP Supplies. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. Each VSSL camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. VSSL CAMP Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure gear. It will change how you prepare for outdoor adventures forever.